I've been thinking, what happens when AI models run out of data to learn from? It's like, we're hitting a dead end.
Wait, run out of data? Is that even possible?
Yeah, it's what's being called peak data, where we've pretty much used up the high quality training data available online.
Oh, really? That's a bit unsettling. So what's the impact of that?
Well, it could slow down progress in AI development. Models like GPT-4 rely on vast amounts of data, but if there's no new data, they can't improve as much.
I see. So are there any solutions on the horizon?
Actually, yes. There's this concept called test time compute that's gaining attention.
Test time compute? What's that all about?
It's a technique where models break down problems into smaller steps, sort of like incrementally solving each piece before moving on.
Okay. So the model is taking more time to think through the problem?
Exactly. It's like giving the model a chance to reason more
Yeah,
deeply. This leads to better accuracy in tasks like math and logic.
that's interesting. But how does that help with the data shortage?
Well, the improved outputs from these reasoning steps can be used to generate synthetic data. So we're
Oh,
creating new data from the model itself.
but is synthetic data as good as real data? I'm a bit skeptical.
I understand your concern. There's a risk, of course.
Right.
But if done carefully, synthetic data can be high quality and help fill the gaps.
Still, doesn't it risk reinforcing existing biases?
That's a valid point. We need to ensure the synthetic data is vetted to avoid that.
Exactly. So it's not a foolproof solution.
No, but it's a promising avenue. Researchers are optimistic about its potential.
Okay. How are industry leaders reacting to this approach?
Well, Satya Nadella from Microsoft called test time compute another scaling law that complements
Interesting.
pre-training. So there's definitely excitement around it.
That's encouraging. But what about the ethical aspects?
Yeah, using outputs from proprietary models raises ethical questions. It's something that needs
Right.
careful consideration.
Seems like we have a lot to figure out.
Absolutely, but that's part of the journey. It's like we're exploring uncharted territory.
Definitely. Well, it's exciting to see where this could lead.
It certainly is. The future of AI is full of possibilities.
For sure.